Here's the curry, guys. I'm gonna have a little roti. Everyone else is gonna dish. And then I'm gonna enjoy myself. My treat for the week. Hello everyone. I'm having my once a week treat. And this time around, it's my all-time favorite. I haven't had this in so long. It's a roti and curry. I made the curry a bit different. I didn't add any oil. I cut most of the fat away from the meat. And the roti also has way less butter, and just adjusted it a bit so I can enjoy myself. And the slaai I made with lemon and honey. There we go. So you can enjoy your treats still. Anyways, waar's my water? Non, can I get a fork? I'm gonna eat with my hand, and the paper towel. So I'm hoping to make his list. How was your day? My day was very, very good. Oh my Anyways, kan niks sien. Thumbnail. Ek wonder of ek 'n bietjie lipstick moet aansit. Was I put lipstick on? Ding lyk so bleek. Anyways. I know I must eat with my hand, but it's a bit warm. Look at that potato. My head is off. Daisy. Wishy. Look at that potato, guys. Kijk eens zo. You can see, ik maak het jokes in, hè? Also, the portion is quite small, so portion control. My next treat, I was going to make cabbage, but I didn't. So my next treat is going to be next week. I'll see. Ja, kyk wat ek gaan doen. Ek gaan nou in met my hand. En ek slaai. Look at that. Tell me, how do you like to eat your roti and curry? Salami style. Ek is baie honger, so ek gaan nou net going in for it. Yo. No, this means I must with a hand. I don't think I'm going to eat all of this. It's a bit too much. So this is called how did my friend say? She lives in South Korea. It's called a mukbang, meaning to, am I remembering right? Eat and room, eating room. Yeah. feel like I don't have enough gravy. I feel that. Look there, guys. Crispiness of the edge of the roti, the sweet sour note of the Slaai. Opa, how was it? Did you enjoy it?
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice.
Opa enjoyed himself thoroughly. Opa, you don't want to say hello to the people? Hello to the people. They miss you.
What's that?
You're on the video.
Oh, say hello. I say hello.
Opa, say hello. So at night what we do is, after everyone is done eating, each one just washes out their plate and their fork and then dry it off and pack it away. So daar's nog nie baie veiligheid nie. Maar die problem is, when you later on in the evening, when you unwind and you're watching your favorite series or movie, now everyone lists something. Ooh. I just want to get to the bone. I unfortunately didn't make a video of this. I will. Don't worry. I just didn't have, I had visitors, so I couldn't make a video. Wat is die? Stukkie tamatie in die Slaai. So guys, I've been watching Lord of the Rings, the series, and House of Dragon. I love both of it. And I've been watching old movies, like from the 90s. I met a few new friends. No matter how old you get, there's always, how do I say it? If you allow it, there's always chances that you'll meet new friends. You don't have to be just with the friends you've known all your life or whatever. You can meet new friends and they're wonderful. So I just want to give a special shout out to Emma, also to me. Her name is Emma Jane. I'm very proud of you. My next bucket list thing that I want to do is actually to go out and just go eat somewhere, sit down, because I can sit now finally, and I don't have any problems if I don't sit too long. But I feel like I can do it, and I'm gonna try. You know, you can always try. I'm gonna try. I wanna go to Spur. I like going to Spur. But a person can only go to Spur, you know, payday or the day after payday. Nah, are we going to Spur? Are we gonna go to Spur? Are we gonna go to Spur?
Uber.
Going to Spur. Because I feel like I can sit for a while. Guys, I only go out with my better half because he can see by the way I look, or I can just tell him if I'm anywhere and I don't feel well, we can just get up and go. It's very difficult for me to say yes to invitations where he's not going to be with or he can't make it. Yeah, and stuff that lasts many hours. I can't. For me, it's a kind of an in and out, and yeah, because I get tired very quickly. And yeah, everything's a bit unpredictable. But these days, things has been going well, so I'm taking it. And I'm running with it. The next one also, I want to walk to the shop. By myself with no aid. It was fantastic. Alhamdulillah. I'm finished now. This was enough for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I did what I... Why can't I get to the words? My aim was to make you less. I hope I did it. Accomplished it. That's the word. Anyway, so I also want to send a special dedication to just everyone going through something. Everyone is going through something. And just hang in there, guys. Stay positive. Stay positive, okay? And love on each other. Be there for each other. Try your best. Try your best. It's possible. It is possible to be there for one another. You don't have to give stuff. You can just smile or have a conversation with a person or just give the person a little space. That is also helping someone. True as Bob. And Bhutamani is your uncle. Serious. Yeah, don't let me bore you with my rambling now. So, this was my treat. I'm very happy. Ek is versadig. If you're looking for the recipe to make roti and curry, you'll find it here on my channel. Just type in Fatima Saido cooks roti or curry or both, and there it will be the video step by step. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Love you guys. Love you. Bye. Nanan. Nanan. Are we gonna go to spa? When? Who's paying? Me or you?